we have given that x square is equal to 5 square. Then x is equal to what? So the first method, we have x square is equal to 5 square. So x square minus 5 square, it will be 0, and a square minus b square, it is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So x square minus 5 square, it will be x plus 5 times x minus 5, that is equal to 0. So either x plus 5 will be 0, x plus 5, it can be 0, so x will be equal to minus 5, or x minus 5 can be 0, x minus 5, it can be 0, so x will be equal to 5. And the second method, we have x square is equal to 5 square, and if x square is a, then x is equal to plus minus square root of a. So here x will be equal to plus minus square root of 5 square, and square and square root will get cancelled, so x is equal to plus minus 5. So x is 5 and minus 5.